how to synchronize throttle bodies on Aprilia Futura 1000. So you need to take, it's best to take airbox cover out. For it you need 7mm. Yeah, but you have to have not 8 but 7 to connect hoses for your carburetor synchronizer. You connect front, rear. Place to connect front hose, and we are syncing it with this one, and we have rear cylinder. It's also right here, and this is a screw that we are working with. Okay, so how to check if it's synchronized. I will just close the fuel tank for now. Bike needs to be warm. We'll see, this one is warm. And we are going for 4000 RPM. That's it. This bike is working pretty well. But if you want to check how it's your air-fuel ratio, you lift the tank a little bit, you turn the bike off, and you open the throttle bodies wide open. You see, there is a little bit of smoke. So what does that mean? It means that it's too rich. It's simply too rich. But without proper software, it's better to not mess up with those screws after you sync them. But of course you can buy leaning air mixture by just opening them default by a little bit more. If you have smoke, after you turn off the bike and open your throttle bodies wide open, you just screwing the idle screws to right just a bit. In this case, I already synchronized the bike, so it wasn't hard. It's much easier than on RSV 1000R and so on, because you have screws on one side, and this is much easier. Remember, you have to look at gauges at 4000 RPM. This is crucial, not on idling, on 4000. I hope you like it.